Hi everybody, Josh with CFT Performance. We got ourselves Eco Diesel Grand Cherokee here and everything. Been slowly working on them. This is one of the very first vehicles. We did the all new intercooler pipe system on it and so on. So I was able to get it in here and wanted to show you the new mount up for the catch can units for these Eco Diesels. Real simple, trying to keep it as user friendly as possible. It's going to come with an all new set of hoses for the whole entire unit. Still got easy drain valve. Goes into the factory location. So not only will this work with our intercooler pipe set, but it will work with the factory pipe set also that comes out in this direction. And it's real simple to install. All you got to do is take off the factory hose. There's only 2 clips that's on it. And the 2 clips are located on the front and the back where the sensor is. You'll unplug the sensor, pop this whole entire hose out, take off the clips, put in a new factory supplied hose onto that clip, onto the catch can that bolts into the factory stock location, reusing the factory nut that's on there, and then put in the supplied hoses, tighten everything up, and you're good to go. Every couple thousand miles, you'll be able to reach down, get to the drain valve that's on there, and we supply the easy drain valve to be able to drain it out. You can get the adapter hose locations and everything for these. They are standard easy 106 drain valve. So you can thread right at the bottom of it, add a hose, drop it all the way down. So when you do your oil changes, you can just open that right up, put the pan right underneath it, drain it all out. Thank you so much.